So it has been raining since morning, and there are lots of auto walas and lots of fucking drivers. They don't know how to drive. They're driving in a way that the water which the road is falling in our dresses. So again, I'm in Singatola for my tuition. So people like polite behavior, but they are not polite with everybody. But maximum people, or I think every people like polite behavior. So what should I say here? You can see that I am with an umbrella and walking through this street, and I have nothing to say now, because if I don't have anything to say, then why have I opened my camera? Definitely I have to say. That is why I opened my camera and speaking over this camera. And the main thing that's happening here, that I feel same this moment. I feel same this moment to speak. I feel same this moment to on my camera and to speak with many people. I'm in town. But what happened in few areas, that moment I can speak a lot. But in town where lots of people are gathered, we think that what others will think about us, because by thinking that what others will think, we stop our working, right? So this is what's happening. So my tuition is around, I have to work for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes to reach my tuition. And here there are lots of nursing homes and medical centers are available in this street. I think this area fulfilled by nursing homes and all things. The whole area, I think. Ready?